Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google and choosing images. This gets you into the photo search interface immediately. Type concise keywords describing what you want, nouns first, then modifiers like color or location, because search weight favors primary terms. If you plan a reverse image search, click the camera icon and choose Upload or Paste Image URL. This changes Google's matching method from text to visual similarity. Once done, glance at top, results to confirm search direction before refining. Now refine results using filters under Tools so you narrow to the right visuals quickly. Choose size or color to exclude thumbnails, pick type for faces or photos, and set time when recency matters. Usage rights filters matter for reuse. For textual precision, wrap phrases in quotes and use a minus sign to remove unwanted terms. To search within a site or specific format, add site or file type to your query. These targeted modifiers cut noise and speed up finding the exact photo. Finish by opening the image source page to confirm context, resolution, and any copyright information before saving or sharing. This avoids misattribution. Download or copy the image link and keep track of license statements if you plan to reuse the photo commercially or publicly. If results are irrelevant, troubleshoot by using a higher quality image for reverse search, simplifying keywords, or changing filters. Make sure your spelling is correct and that you're not limiting results with an unintended filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.